for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Xenon headlights, all-wheel drive, traction control, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, cruise control, heated driver's seat, trip computer, power windows, power door locks, fog lamps, compass, airbags, tachometer, rear wiper, heated passenger seat, remote window operation, power heated outside mirrors, driver memory seats. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.